The answer is Volkswagen Beetle, year 1967. Here are the key facts. Over 21 million units produced worldwide, the most of any single model. Air-cooled flat-4 engine mounted at the rear, originally 1.1 litres. Designed by Ferdinand Porsche in the late 1930s as the People's Car, KDF, became a symbol of the 1960s counterculture and is still widely recognised. The Beetle's front hood opens to reveal the spare tyre, not the engine. The Volkswagen Beetle is one of the best-selling cars of all time, with over 21 million units produced. The answer is Messerschmitt KR200, year 1956. Here are the key facts. The Messerschmitt KR200 was a three-wheeled microcar with a bubble canopy. It was powered by a 200 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, giving it a top speed of about 90 kilometers per hour. The car featured tandem seating, with the passenger sitting behind the driver. Messerschmitt, originally an aircraft manufacturer, produced the KR200 from 1953 to 1964. The KR200 had a reverse gear that was actually a separate electric motor. The Messerschmitt KR200 was a three-wheeled microcar produced by the German company Messerschmitt from 1953 to 1964. The answer is Hillman Imp, year 1963. Here are the key facts. Rear-mounted 875 cubic centimeters aluminum engine, unusual for British small cars. Produced by Rootes Group from 1963 to 1976, Sunbeam Imp Sport variant offered improved performance. Over 440,000 units built across the production run. The engine block was made entirely of aluminum, weighing only about 100 kilograms. The Hillman Imp was a rear-engined, rear-wheel drive small car produced by the Rootes Group, later Chrysler Europe, from 1963 to 1976. The answer is Fiat 8V, year 1952. Here are the key facts. The Fiat 8V featured a compact 2.0-litre V8 engine with hemispherical combustion chambers. Only 114 examples were built between 1952 and 1954, making it a rare collector's item. Designed for racing, it achieved class wins at the Mille Miglia and Targa Florio. Its stylish body was crafted by Ghia, Vignale, and Stabilimente Farina. The name 8V stands for 8 Cilindri AV, Italian for V8. The Fiat 8V was a V8 engined sports car produced by Fiat between 1952 and 1954. The answer is Ford Thunderbird, year 1957. Here are the key facts. The 1957 Thunderbird is the final year of the original two-seater design. It introduced a 312 cubic inch V8 with an optional supercharger, F-code, boosting power to 300 horsepower. The 1957 model featured a redesigned front end with a jet-inspired bumper and prominent hood scoop. Production was limited to 21,380 units, contributing to its collector appeal. The supercharged F-code engine was the first time a production Ford offered a supercharger, though it was dealer-installed. The 1957 Thunderbird is often referred to as the Baby Bird, due to its smaller size compared to its predecessors. The answer is Mitsubishi Starion, year 1982. Here are the key facts. The Starion was also sold as the Chrysler Conquest in North America. It featured a 2.6-litre turbocharged four-cylinder engine, one of the first Japanese turbos. The Starion was rear-wheel drive with a limited slip differential option. Its design included pop-up headlights and a wide, aggressive stance. The name Starion was derived from a racehorse, not a star. The Mitsubishi Starion was also sold as the Chrysler Conquest in North America. The answer is Plymouth GTX, year 1968. Here are the key facts. The 1968 Plymouth GTX was marketed as a gentleman's muscle car with a focus on luxury and performance. It featured a standard 440 cubic inch V8 engine with an optional 426 Hemi. The GTX shared its platform with the Roadrunner but added premium interior trim and exterior chrome. Only about 18,000 units were produced in 1968, making it relatively rare. The GTX was originally intended to be a luxury version of the Belvedere, but its muscle car image took over. The 1968 Plymouth GTX was marketed as a gentleman's muscle car, with a focus on luxury and performance. The answer is Alfa Romeo Giulietta Spider, year 1955. Here are the key facts. Styled by Pininfarina, epitomizing Italian elegance. Powered by a 1.3-litre twin-cam engine with 65 horsepower. Weighed only 850 kilograms for agile handling. Won its class in the 1955 Mille Miglia. Production reached over 17,000 units by 1962. The Alfa Romeo Giulietta Spider was a stylish Italian sports car produced from 1955 to 1962. The answer is Ferrari Dino 246 Gran Turismo, year 1972. Here are the key facts. The Dino 246 Gran Turismo is powered by a 2.4-litre V6 engine, a departure from Ferrari's traditional V12. Designed by Pininfarina, the 246 Gran Turismo features a sleek, compact body that became an instant classic. Only about 2,500 units were produced between 1969 and 1974, making it a relatively rare model. Enzo Ferrari did not place the Ferrari Prancing Horse badge on the Dino, as it was intended to be a more affordable entry-level car. The 246 Gran Turismo succeeded the earlier 206 Gran Turismo, using a steel body instead of aluminum and a larger engine. The Dino was named after Enzo Ferrari's son, Alfredo Dino Ferrari, who was a talented engineer. The answer is Dodge Charger RT, year 1969. Here are the key facts. Distinctive full-width grille with hidden headlights. Offered with 440 Magnum V8 or legendary 426 Hemi. 1969 Restyle introduced new taillight design and flying buttress roof. Became pop culture icon as General Lee in Dukes of Hazzard. The hidden headlights were vacuum operated and often stuck open or closed. The 1969 Dodge Charger RT is famous for its distinctive full-width grille and hidden headlights. The answer is Toyota 2000 GT, year 1967. Here are the key facts. Considered Japan's first true supercar. Only 337 units were produced between 1967 and 1970. Featured in the James Bond film You Only Live Twice. Developed by Yamaha and Toyota jointly. The 2000 GT was originally intended as a testbed for Yamaha's engine technology. The Toyota 2000 GT is often considered Japan's first true supercar. The answer is Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova, year 1962. Here are the key facts. Launched in 1962 as Chevrolet's compact response to the Falcon and Valiant, offered with economical inline-4 and inline-6 engines, built on a unibody structure instead of traditional body-on-frame. The Nova trim level later became the model name itself. The Chevy 2 was originally designed as a pure economy car, but its V8 option later made it a drag racing icon. The Chevy 2 Nova was Chevrolet's response to the growing compact car market, and it was an instant success. The answer is Citroën DS, year 1955. Here are the key facts. Introduced in 1955, the Citroën DS shocked the world with its futuristic hydro-pneumatic suspension. Aerodynamic design achieved a drag coefficient of just 0.33, exceptional for its era. It featured a fiberglass roof to lower the center of gravity and unique directional headlights. The DS was the first mass-produced car with front disc brakes. The DS was so futuristic that its dashboard had a single-spoke steering wheel designed to allow easier entry and exit. The Citroën DS was renowned for its innovative hydro-pneumatic suspension system, which provided an exceptionally smooth ride. The answer is Saab 900, year 1984. Here are the key facts. Ignition key located between front seats to prevent knee injuries in a crash. Aerodynamic coefficient of drag, CD, as low as 0.34 for a 1980s sedan. Turbocharged 2.0-litre engine produced 145 horsepower in the 900 Turbo. Production spanned 1978 to 1998 with over 800,000 units built. The Saab 900's body was designed to be aerodynamic and safe, with a drag coefficient lower than many sports cars of its era. The Saab 900 was known for its distinctive ignition key between the seats feature, a safety measure to prevent accidental ignition. The answer is Jaguar E-Type, year 1961. Here are the key facts. Enzo Ferrari called it the most beautiful car ever made, a rare compliment from the rivalry. Introduced in 1961 with a 3.8-litre inline-6 engine producing 265 horsepower. Top speed exceeded 150 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars at the time. Pioneered independent rear suspension and four-wheel disc brakes for road cars. Enzo Ferrari rarely praised rival cars. His quote elevated the E-Type to automotive art. The Jaguar E-Type was once described by Enzo Ferrari as the most beautiful car ever made. Which car do you like best, or have you ever driven one yourself? I would really love to know. Write it in the comments. I would also really appreciate a like and a subscription. See you in the next video.